This simple veg pulao made by Trishaa and Truashaa. Before we start, I chop onions, tomatoes, coriander and ginger garlic. I also soak 2 bowls of basmati rice for 30 minutes. Keep 4 bowls of water to boil because we are using 2 bowls of rice.
First, pour oil into a pot. Add cumin seeds, black pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, coriander seeds and a bay leaf. Saute until fragrant. Add chopped garlic and ginger. Mix all together. Add chopped onions. Saute until the onion turns soft. Add green peas. Mix well and cook until the raw smell of the peas is gone. Add turmeric, garam masala, red chili powder and salt. Mix everything well. Add the soaked rice. Gently mix for 1 to 2 minutes until the rice is lightly coated with the spices.
Now pour in the hot water.
Oops, accidentally dropped the pot in the rice.
Don't worry, this little kitchen moment will happen.
Gently mix everything together. Once the water reduces, cover with a lid and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Remove the lid and check rice cooked. Gently mix again. Cover and cook on low flame for another 10 minutes. Add freshly chopped coriander.
Turn off the flame and let the pulao rest for 15 minutes. This helps the rice become fluffy and perfectly cooked.
Serve hot with fresh koshimbir. Koshimbir made with chopped onion, tomato, coriander, green chili and curd. Enjoy!